गुड इवनिंग सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार आनी नमस्कार आमचे पत्रकार भाव तशेंच आमचे हाजीर आशिल्ले सगळे म्हजे मोगाळ भावनी आनी भयणांनो, पयले सुवातेर हो जो प्रोग्राम आयज जो आमचे मदीं आसा हो संघटन सृजन अभियान प्रोग्राम हो ऑर्गनायज करून आमचे मदीं आसा आमचो एआयसीसी ऑब्झर्वर ऑफ गोवा तशेंच CWC मेंबर डॉक्टर रघुवीरा रेड्डी जी, तशेंच आमचे मदीं आसा आमचो केपेंचो आमदार बाब एल्टन डिकोस्टा, तशेंच सिनियर वायस प्रेसिडेंट मिस्टर MK शेख, तशेंच आमचे PCC ऑब्झर्वर फॉर साऊथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट आमचो एल्टनूय आसा तातूंत, तशेंच आमचो बाब एडवोकेट श्रीनिवास कलाप, तशेंच आमचो बाब जनरल वायस प्रेसिडेंट बाब तुलियो डिसोजा, तशें आमचे मदीं आसा यूथ प्रेसिडेंट बाब अच्युत नाईक, आनी तशेंच तांचे बरोबर आसा आमचो रामकृष्णा यादव इज एसोसिएट ऑफ डॉक्टर रघुवीरा रेड्डी. सो
मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी और ऑनरेबल AICC प्रेसिडेंट and leader of the opposition Lok Sabha, Rahul ji, have sent us here for a specific purpose. The purpose is strengthening the Congress party, organizationally strengthening the Congress party. This is called Sanghatan Srijan Abhiyan. We have almost completed in 25 states. This is the final phase of the states. We have taken this assignment. This is my 4th assignment. Earlier, I was asked to get myself involved in this process in 3 places. Now this is my 4th district. So we are starting AICC. We have taken a decision after the plenary meeting in Ahmedabad, but organizationally we should strengthen. So while strengthening, let us start from the very crucial post, that is District Congress President. Instead of simply nominating what we are doing earlier, now let us select by taking the opinion of the leaders and workers of that respective district. That's what we are doing. So from tomorrow, in this South District of Goa, Congress Party, recently Congress Party has taken a decision. Earlier, there were only 2 districts. There were only 2 district Congress presidents. From now on, it is 4 district Congress presidents in Goa. Now my responsibility is in South Goa, where 12 assembly constituencies falls in this district. Namely Vasco da Gama, Debolin, Portalin, Nuven, Kattorin, Fatoda, Margova, Benolin, Navilin, Kunkolin, Velim.
Marmagova.
So totally 12 assembly constituencies falls under this district, new defined district Congress committee. So from tomorrow, the next, I'm here till 21st. I'm here till 21st. Tomorrow, what are the districts?
Tomorrow sheet.
Vasco, Margowa,
You have the sheet? And do you have the sheet? Please give me. So tomorrow 18th, the district Congress president and our MLA, for the PC observers and the vice president and the general secretary. They will also be with me, and the respective assembly constituency leaders and workers, the district Congress president and the PCC observers will inform in their respective assemblies. They will all come. I will take one-on-one their inputs from them. It will start from tomorrow. Tomorrow by 10 o'clock, Vasco, 11 o'clock, Margowa, 4 o'clock, Debolin, 5 o'clock, Kottalim. And again on 19th, 10 o'clock, Navilin, 11 o'clock, Benulin, 4 o'clock, Velin, 5 o'clock, Kunkolin. And again on 20th, 10 a.m., Nuvel, 11 o'clock, Kottorin, 4 o'clock, Margowa, 5 o'clock, Fatorda. So we will be covering all the assembly constituencies on 21st. On 21st, again we will be meeting all the NGOs and social activists. At 10. On 21st afternoon, I will be meeting all the aspirants, including the present district Congress president, whoever is interested to become district Congress president of this South Goa. I will be interacting with them also. So from tomorrow, once we meet them, we will be giving the applications also today after this press break. We will be giving the applications whoever is interested. I am also going to have the district executive committee meeting as per the guidelines of AICC, and the very transparent method where it will be very transparent. So the ultimate goal of AICC is take the opinion of the workers and leaders of the district and select the DC president. While selecting the DC president, take into the consideration like all the social fabric, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, OBCs, minorities, women, youth, all that. That also we have to take into the consideration. And once these DCC presidents are selected, they will be given training for 10 days. In other states, it's already going on. In few states, they have completed. And their committees will be formed. And not only that, the political affairs committee also will be formed under every district and every DCC. So the next phase, once we complete this, the next phase will be the mandal committees and the block committees till the booth committee. The same procedure will continue. So this is not just organizationally what we are doing. This we are doing ideological people also. So nowadays, IRMs, GIRMs become a routine thing in political arena. So ideologically also we have to build up this organization. So I request all the Congress party workers and leaders of this South Goa District Committee, I request all of them to get involved in their respective assemblies and give your inputs. And I also request all the aspirants to give your applications. Finally, we will submit this report with the present AICC. It is not one name that we are giving. We are asked to give 6 names. 6 names. Out of that, the general category will be there, OBC will be there, ST will be there, SC will be there, Mahila will be there, minority, youth, and everyone will be there. So we will be submitting. Finally, they will take the decision, and I request all the leaders and everyone to cooperate, give your inputs. Goa in particular, Congress Party, AICC is very serious. It is not because the Congress Party is weak in the hearts and minds of the people. Because of other factors, we are losing this state. Also, South Goa is always very strong for Congress Party. In the recent 24 parliament elections, again it was proved. So this time, AICC in general in the entire country, in particular in Goa also, we will put all our efforts to see that in 27 we are back in government. So that is the mission of what we have come today. Thank you very much. If you have any, circulate your press worker.
Honorable dignitaries on the stage and my dear press friends, I am happy to introduce and inform you about Dr. Raghuveer Reddy ji, who hails from a freedom fighters family. His paternal uncle is a Rajya Sabha member for twice, and he is a freedom fighter kept in Vellore jail during his freedom fight along with Gandhi ji. And he was also CWC member of the Congress. So it says that purely he is from the Congress family. He was minister for 12 years under 4 chief ministers, and also he was IPCC Andhra Pradesh Congress Committee president for 6 years, and he was presently CWC member of Indian National Congress.